Hello, dear School First families and teachers.
Welcome to July 9th.
2026 on the Family Life Skills calendar.
It's National Sugar Cookie Day, a delightful way to enjoy baking together while celebrating culture, creativity, and teamwork. Step 1. Gather your ingredients. Round up flour, sugar, butter, and your favorite cookie cutters. Let kids help measure the ingredients. It's a fun way to build early math and kitchen skills. Step 2. Mix and shape together. Work as a team to mix the dough, roll it out, and cut fun shapes. Stars, hearts, animals, or even traditional symbols from your culture. Step 3. Decorate with meaning. Use colourful icing, sprinkles, or edible markers to add cultural designs or family-inspired patterns. Share the meaning behind each decoration as you go. Step 4. Bake and savour the aroma. Pop your cookies in the oven and enjoy the sweet smell as they bake. Talk about your favourite cookie memories or family recipes while you wait. Step 5. Share and celebrate. Once cooled, share your beautiful cookies with neighbours or friends. Take a picture, give them a name, and enjoy the joy of what you created together. Celebrate National Sugar Cookie Day with sweet smiles, storytelling, and togetherness. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt from the Family Life Skills calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the Family First team. Thank you and all the best. Thanks for joining us today. See you tomorrow for another engaging prompt. School First calendar. Cherish today, celebrate tomorrow. Signing off from you, from the School First team. Thank you and all the best.